As you know, there are many holidays are around the corner, like Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. And what do you usually do to decorate your home or your Christmas tree? As a Chinese traditional custom, we always stick the red paper cuts on the windows to symbolize our best wishes for a new year. And today, as you can see on the slides, these are the Chinese traditional red paper cuts. But those are, and that's how it applies to dresses. But those are too complicated to teach you in our show, in our short show. So today, what I'm going to teach you is how to make easy but creative 3D paper flower. And so, before I start, make sure that you have the following materials: a pen or pencil, scissors, and tape. What I have is the double-sided tape and 2 square paper. You can use white or color. Okay, that's it for the materials. Okay, let's get started. So basically, the 3D paper flower can be done within 4 steps. The first step is I call folding. What you have is you can first grab one square paper and you fold it 2 times into a triangle like this, and then you can use your pencil to scratch on the triangle to draw a V-shaped curve like this. And don't draw all the way down to the corner, just up here. And then you draw 2 more curves below it like this. Make sure that those curves are symmetric. And then we come to the second step, which is cutting. So it's time to use your scissors to cut it along with the curves. So what you have is like this. Okay. So be cautious that don't cut the lines all down to the end. So otherwise it will be cut off. Don't cut it off. And then you can just open it up. You get this. And then we jump to the third step, which is taping. What I already did is I put the tape right in the center of the flower, and then as you can see, there are 3 layers, or you can say 3 parts on each as the flower petals, and you pick the middle one and fold it right to inside to the center, and push it onto the stick. And you do it for each side of the flower. Yeah. What you get is like this. Like this. Okay, we're done with one. So next, which is the 4th step, is to do exactly the same another one. I did 2 smaller ones. That is what we did about, and this is what you did for another one. And then you take this one back at the back of the first one and put them in the like this. So it has 8 petals. Yeah. And then, in order to make it look more beautiful, you can use your pen to roll the petals a little bit, so it will be more like 3D. So as long as you get it out here. Okay. You ready? Take them together. That is, you combine them together. Okay, that's easily how you can make it, and also you may get some inspiration from this. You can make other paper decorations like snowflake or other stuff. And some examples are shown here. And okay, as you can see, I've done the 3D paper flower within 4 steps. So I wish you could go home to do as much as the paper decorations or paper flowers as you can to cover all over your Christmas tree, or like this high, and to cover your windows like this big. So I guess you will definitely have fun with your parents and friends by making this with less expenditure, with less cost. And yeah, that's the reason you do this, because you can save money and have fun with your parents or friends. Okay, thanks for staying with me at today's show. And I'm Ming Ming from Handicraft Club.